Nadia, you could have done away with this. I can't promise. No, you could have done away with that. But that's you.
Exactly.
Alright guys, my allergies are really kicking in right now.
Shine your light, cast away the shadows in the night. Take a chance today, 'cause you know it's gonna be alright. Shine your light. We all got fears we need to fight. Love yourself today. It's gonna be.
You look amazing too.
Stars that shine in the
My pops, man. You know, I wouldn't be the man who I am today without you. You know, you've done everything for us, for me, Gavin, Samantha. You know, raising all three of us. So I just want to say thank you, Dad, for being the best dad ever. You know, me and Gavin and Samantha, we always talk about like one day when we have kids, you know, we can never top what you did, man. No one can ever top what you did. You're the GOAT. You know, you him. You're the best that ever did it, man. So I love you with all my heart, right or wrong. I'ma always have your back. And I love you, man. Congrats. I was so used to the four of us, so it was hard to get, used to that, without having a woman around in the life. So I'm glad you came along. You taught me what it's like to have a woman in my life. You taught me what a mother figure is. I just love you a lot. Thank you.
Once in a while, right in the middle of an ordinary life, love gives us a fairy tale. On behalf of Susy and Ray, I want to thank each of you for attending this wedding celebration. Today you are indeed participating in one of the happiest moments of their lives.
It was about 7 years ago I found out I was gonna be a father. And I was gonna be a single father. And I was scared. And one of the first people I called was Ray. Because I've never seen a man do more with his children than he has. He's the big brother that I never wanted because my dad gave him the company and and all that. I got cut out. They were like, "It's Mikey and Ray now." So, God bless you both. I hope that you live a lifetime and an eternity of love with each other. And I couldn't ask for better friends and role models. So I love you. And thank you so much for allowing me to be a part of your special day.
Ladies and gentlemen, we're going to stop this for a little bit. If you want to find some dry area, you're more than welcome to do so. And your very presence here as family and friends not only heightens the beauty of the moment, but it also completes it. Ray, do you, knowing of this woman's love for you and returning it, realizing her strengths and learning from them, recognizing her weaknesses and accepting them, take Susy to be your lawfully wedded wife?
I do.
And Susy, do you, knowing of this man's love for you and returning it, realizing his strengths and learning from them, recognizing his weaknesses and accepting them, take Ray to be your lawfully wedded husband?
I do.
May I have the rings, please? Susy, with this ring, I commit to you.
Susy, with this ring, I commit to you.
As this ring encircles your finger,
As this ring encircles your finger,
always be reminded,
always be reminded.
my love encircles your heart.
My love encircles your heart.
Ray, with this ring, I commit to you.
Ray, with this ring, I commit to you.
As this ring encircles your finger,
As this ring encircles your finger,
always be reminded,
always be a reminder.
my love encircles your heart.
My love encircles your heart.
As the great Walt Disney said, laughter is timeless, imagination has no age, and dreams are forever. So may the love that you have shared today grow in time and song and rhyme into your very own fairy tale. For forasmuch as the two of you have joined together in holy wedlock and have witnessed the same before this company, and have pledged your faith each to the other by the joining of hands and the giving and receiving of rings and vows, I hereby pronounce you husband and wife together. What God has joined together, let no one dare separate. Hope we practice this part. You may kiss your beautiful bride.
And although my dad couldn't be here, I know he would be so proud of the woman that you become. And that he would love Ray so much. Ray, thank you so much for making my sister happy. I know we haven't had a chance to bond in the last couple of years. But Suzy's always said wonderful things about you. And I know she loves you so much. And I wish you all the happiness. And like I told you earlier, you're stuck with us now. Welcome to the family.
I want to wish both of you a wonderful marriage filled with a lot of love and happiness. Thank you, folks. I love my son. Wish them all the best. May God give them a long life and a happy marriage. Thank you.
Show 'em how we do. 3, 4, turn it up more. 5, 6, cause we do it like this. 7, 8,
5. Let me see you work. Work that like another 5. Show me how to work.
Feel so good, I've been working it out. Now let the haters try talk, I've been drowning them out. Go ahead, get the work, then wide out. Hit me with the low fee, I need a higher amount. Get it one more time, 365. This throwback hit for the 99. Knees to your thighs, reach for the sky. Ain't no PTO time, I'm just trying to get the work. 1, 2, show 'em how we do. 3, 4, turn it up more. 5, 6, do it like this. 7, 8, and don't be late now. Everybody come on. Everybody come on. Everybody come on.
I love you. You have brought so much joy to my life. You are the woman I've always wanted. You are the woman of my dreams. Thank you for loving me as I am.
Normally it's, you are.
Yeah, it's more harsh than that, but yeah.
Because every time we